And welcome back, Math Masters. It's time for the concept development. Problem one, we're going to use a place value chart and a place value disk to model subtracting alongside the algorithm, regrouping 100 as 10 tens. So we've done a little bit of that in the fluency practice, but let's look at our problem. 4,259 minus, you know what? I made a mistake here. I'm going to cross that problem out. We're going to write down, because we are copycats, 4,259 minus 2,171. So write that down. Now, so we're going to model using a tape diagram and a place value chart. And watch how we do this, okay? It really is kind of fascinating. So I'm going to make the tape diagram first. I think it's fascinating. And this tape diagram represents the total amount before subtraction takes place of 4,259. There we have it, 4,259. Now, watch this. This part represents what we're subtracting, 2,171, and this is the unknown. This is going to be the answer to our subtraction problem, because if we take this number and add this number, once we find out what it is, it should be this number. Wow, it's pretty heavy, Mr. Leggett. Yeah, I think so. So let's go ahead and make a place value chart to determine what this answer is. And we're going to do the standard algorithm right alongside here. So I know the answer is going to be in the thousands. So I'm only going to do 4 columns. Let's label them ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? So let's set up our problem over here. 4,259 minus 2,171. All right, so we're dealing with this number first. 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 hundreds. 1, 2, and 4 thousands. Okay, now we're ready to subtract. 9 minus 1. Well, let's just cross out one of those. So what do we get? 9 minus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we have our problem. Look, 7 tens and only 5 tens up there. Can you take 7 tens away from this column? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're out of room. So what we have to do is we have to decompose one of these hundreds. And this is something I love about Eureka math. We're going to decompose this 100. We're going to bring it over here. How many tens are in 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 tens. And watch what happens. And we're only 100. So we go to the standard algorithm. 100, 15 tens. Now I can take away those 7. I can take 7 away from 15. Look. So let's cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, over here, 1 minus 1. Looks like we have 0 hundredths, right? And then finally, we go to 4 thousands minus 2 thousands. So I'm going to take away 2 thousands here. And what am I left with? And there we have it. I really enjoy this part of Eureka math. Let's keep being copycats. You're still a copycat. And let's do this problem here. We're going to start out with a tape diagram. Okay, this number represents the number that we're starting out with. 6,314. What we're subtracting is 3,133. What we don't know is that number. So let's go ahead and make our place value chart. So there's our place value chart. Oh, Mr. Leggett, did somebody say place value chart? You must have said it because I could see the place value chart right there. Can I help you fill it out? Oh, of course, Mathmat. What's in the first column, Mathmat? Let's see ones. What's next? The tens. What's next? The hundreds. And what's last? The thousands. Don't you need more place value charts, Mr. Leggett? More place values? No. Because look, this number we're starting out with is 6,314. And we're subtracting. We're taking it away from it. We're not adding. Oh, so yes. So you would not need a 10,000 column place value in the place value chart. Yes, that's so true, Mathmat. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go ahead and label our chart. We have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 110, 3 hundreds, and 6 thousands. Okay, so now we're going to subtract. Oops, I got to put the standard algorithm over here. Okay, first off, 4 minus 3. 4 take away 3, 4 less 3, 1, 2, 3. There's 1. I can't take 3 tens away from 1 10, right? I can't take 3 away from 1. Just not going to happen. We're not going to negative numbers. So what we're going to do is decompose 100 into what? 10 tens. Okay, now I can go over here, see my 300s, they became 200s. 3 became 2. And my 1 became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now I have 11 up there. So what's 11 take away 3, less 3, minus 3? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. What am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, on the hundreds. 2 hundreds take away 100. We're left with 100. And 6,000 minus 3,000. 1, 2, 3. There we have it. Now, our answer is 3,181. This is how we check. Watch the math magic. There's our timer, but hold on. 3,181, right? Our answer. And we're going to add this to it. Plus 3,133. We should wind up with this number right here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Bring the one over here. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And there we have it. 6,314. Math magic.